Welcome to our channel. If you're looking to use Find My iPhone features through OneDrive, follow this quick guide to understand the relationship between these services. Step 1. Understand that Find My iPhone is an Apple service, while OneDrive is Microsoft's cloud storage platform. They are separate services, and Find My iPhone cannot be accessed through OneDrive. Step 2. To use Find My iPhone, go to iCloud.com on any web browser and sign in with your Apple ID credentials. Step 3. Once signed in to iCloud, click on Find iPhone from the main menu of available iCloud services. Step 4. The Find My iPhone interface will load, showing a map with the locations of all your Apple devices linked to your Apple ID. Step 5. Select your iPhone from the list of devices to see its current or last known location on the map. Step 6. If you want to access files from your iPhone that are stored in OneDrive, open the OneDrive app on another device or go to OneDrive.com on a web browser. Step 7. Sign in to OneDrive with your Microsoft account to access any files you've previously synced from your iPhone. Step 8. To ensure your iPhone's files are backed up to OneDrive, install the OneDrive app on your iPhone and enable automatic photo and file backup in the app settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.